Welcome, I'm Architect Mikey and I'm one of the construction workers here in ITC. We are in P1U and we are now in the second floor of Building B. Today we're going to show you some of our works here. In this part, we have it's AAC, it's not hollow blocks, and you can see mas smooth siya, mas makinis siya, and we don't need plastering for that. From afar, it looks like tool jointed hollow blocks, but as you can see, it's already smooth. But we've decided not to use this one. We're going to use the AAC panels instead. We're just finishing up all our orders for this AAC blocks. And this one, if you haven't seen this one, this is the EPS panel. And what we're really gonna talk about right now is after the pouring, which was poured about a month ago, we're doing the masonry works already. And all the walls are being set there. So we have advanced walls on this side, but we were not able to advance the walls on the other side because the AAC panels have not arrived yet. So it's a pre-order. Sometimes wala silang stock. We have to import it. But there are other manufacturers already in Cebu. So that's a good place to start with if you're in Cebu because you have local stock there. But mostly in Manila, it's cheaper for them, I guess, to import than to manufacture here in Luzon. And most of our suppliers still import them. As you can see here, these are AAC blocks and we have a large opening here. We still have lintel beams. So lintel beams are smaller beams which are not really the main structural members of the building. If you remove the lintel beams, your building will not collapse. Okay, this is support for the walls and the windows so that this opening over here, the part of this window during earthquake or over time, it will not sag and go down and compress your windows there. So as you can see, we're in the second floor. You can see the backflow clearing from other works there. I hope you can still hear me. So once this is set, we're gonna have a nice fixed exact size for our windows. The same is also done for doors. We need the little beam also above doors, especially the bigger ones. And you've noticed there's no stiffener columns already because the width of the wall is less than a meter. We only use stiffener columns on long spans. And this one, there's a short span on both sides. We don't count that as total span, which is normally 7 meters or 9 meters, whichever side of the classroom you are on. And yes, this is a school. It's almost standard. The 7.9 meters is almost standard. The one that needs support is the one above the window and not the wall because we don't have much wall. But if, for example, on this wall, there's no window, we have to place a stiffener column at the center. Even if you're using this AAC blocks, we still need stiffener columns. What we're studying right now is the limit of the opening for the lintel beams above the windows and the doors if we're gonna use AAC panel. So if we place the AAC panel horizontally, that will serve as the lintel beam. And for short spans, we will verify with the manufacturer and we do our own computations. If, for example, we can do a 1.2 meters opening even without the need for the lintel beam as mentioned here. We're hoping to do a big span, maybe 6 feet or even longer without stiffener beams because it will also save a lot of time. So this is similar to beam. So you have V-bars, we have beam stirrups, and you're gonna put forms in there, pour concrete inside, and you have to cure it before you place the next set of blocks above. So if you cure it properly, that's another 28 days. Sometimes if the space allows it, if you have certain shoring, we can do it in maybe 3 weeks. So that will save a lot of time if we just simply place the AAC panel over that window or door or as the actual lintel beam without the manual beams. Thanks for following us.